Hey guys, I picked up a new project. This is the beginning of restoring this old girl. It's a 1977 Mercury 150 horsepower. Recently picked it up, picked up for a good price, come with a heap of spares and a couple of engines with it. It's complete, has a hydraulic tilt motor. Yeah, this is quick video before I start restoring it. I haven't touched it yet. I'm about to give it a good degrees and wash down and start stripping it all down and go through all the carburetors, electrics, see if I can get this thing going. Once I do get it going, I'll do a full tear down of this old engine and yeah, completely replace old seals and parts, and might even rebuild the engine. We'll see what the compression's like in it. And what else will I do? Yeah, just get it back to its original full working order. This cover off, give you a show what it looks like inside. Some pretty good nick for its age. Yeah, that's what it looks like. The cover's off. It's got a little bit of corrosion around the fuel pump, but around the block itself it's pretty good. If it's been in salt water, it hasn't been in too much, I wouldn't imagine. Previous owner said the electric didn't work, and with the trigger, he put another trigger in it and he's had it running, but as far as he's done with it, it's just been sitting around ever since. So yeah, be a good little project. Serial number there. Oh well guys, stay tuned and yeah, I'll hopefully release some more videos when I start stripping it and getting it ready to restore. So cheers guys, see ya.